Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to use CapCut for complete beginners. So let's get started. So as we know, CapCut is a popular video editing app developed by ByteDance, the same company behind the TikTok. It offers a wide range of features and tools that allows user to create professional looking videos. So simply you can download it from App Store or Google Play Store, and it looks like this. After you download it, you can simply tap on the open option available there. After opening CapCut, you will be prompted to create a new project. Tap on the plus icon to start a project. You can choose the aspect ratio for a project based on your intended platform, example for YouTube, for Instagram, or etc. Or you can simply tap on the any previous project like I've done mine. So once you have imported your media files, arrange them in the desired order or the timeline by dragging and dropping them. You can trim, split, or delete clips as needed to refine your project. So as you can see, I am trimming my videos. So now in order to import another video in this video, all you have to do is tap on the plus icon shown right beside your video. So tap on the plus icon. Now you can import another video again. Choose any video you want to as your personal preferences. Then after you choose one, simply tap on the checkbox available there and here it is. CapCut offers a variety of transition effects to enhance the flow between clips. You can tap on the transition button to choose a transition style and apply it between clips on the timeline as well. You can even add text and titles in your video. To do that, simply tap on the text button to add text, overlays or title to your video. When you tap on the text button, you will get to see a plus text, add text option, and you can simply add any type or any text you want to, like I'm adding my hello everyone, and customize the font size, color and animation of the text to suit your preferences. Here we are just keeping just a simple font and simple white color. You can even drag or drop anywhere the title or the text icon, and you can simply delete it if you don't want it as well. When you tap on, you can see the delete option and it is gone. So you can also apply effects and filters on the TikTok. You can explore various effects and filters by tapping on the effects tab to add visual, and you can see there are lots of effects option available, so you can just add any of them as your personal preferences. Here you can see, here I am showing you some of the effects inside the TikTok which you might like. You can also swipe left and see other variety of options, and you can see there are lots of options in effects as well. So choose any according to your preferences and simply go back. After you go back, you can tap on the filters and you can see there are a lot of filters available in CapCut. You can adjust the intensity of the filters to achieve the desired look. You can even drag them to the minimum, or you can even increase them. After changing or including effects and filters according to your preferences, you can also include music and sound effects in your video. Do that, tap on the audio option. CapCut allows you to add background music and sound effects to your videos. Tap on the music button to import music tracks from a device's library or choose from the app's built-in music library. You can see there are a lot of long list of musics available inside the CapCut. Choose any of them according to your preferences and tap on the plus icon. Also, you can drag or drop the music icon option as well. Now you can also enhance the voice of the music, but this is not a actual recording. You can enhance the voice, you can even add your records here and enhance the voice, but this is just a normal video from a music library, so you can just increase the volume of this. You can just adjust the volume levels of individual clips, apply fade effects or remove background noise from audio tracks. You can even add stickers and many more. CapCut offers a user-friendly interface with power editing features, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced video editors alike. So you can see there are lots of stickers option available. Choose any of them according to your preferences. And once you have finished editing your video, preview it to ensure everything looks good. Then you can simply tap on the arrow icon available in the top right corner, which is also known as export button, to save your video to your devices or share it directly to social media platform. After you tap on it, you can save your project to your device's gallery very easily or send directly to platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube or Facebook. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.